Hey guys, for my experiment, you will need a syringe. Mine is just 30 milliliters. There's the back, but I have taken it out in preparation for my experiment. You don't want one that's too big. So 30 milliliters should be fine. You could get an even smaller one. It should still work. A bag of, one fell out, mini marshmallows. I bought the nice brand because I'm not really planning on eating any of these, but if you do, you could buy the nice, I think it's a little more expensive brand, the jet puffed ones. Totally up to you. I have also, you will need some air and just 2 hands. I'm sure most of you can get access to those. Also, I have conducted my experiment inside. It's not usually too messy. If you happen to be someone who might make it messy, I'm not here to judge and should probably conduct it outside. I don't find it a problem. That's totally up to you. So, you have your syringe, right? So you want it open up first, and then you have this little mini marshmallow. I drew a face on him. I think it will help us see the results. Here he is. He's just so excited about his partaking in this experiment. So what happens is you have your syringe, then you drop your little excited marshmallow into your syringe. Sweet. I think he flipped, but that's okay. So at this point you want to close your syringe. Sorry. Okay. And I'm going to close it to about 15 milliliters, probably somewhere between 10 and 15. That's not too important, so maybe probably 15. That's probably a better idea. Okay, so at this point, this is where the very important part of the experiment comes to play. You are going to take your finger and close it, like put it over the little opening of that part of the syringe. Sorry, or your experiment will not work properly. So at this point, I'm going to press down on my syringe. So I'm just going to get this part and press down on it. What that causes the pressure to increase. Now look what happens to our marshmallow. Oh, you see him getting all wrinkled? I'll move it back, maybe it'll be easier. See how wrinkled he's getting? See? Sweet. So he's getting wrinkled. That shows us that as we increase the pressure, the volume of our marshmallow will decrease. Now watch what happens, and remember that your finger must still be closing the opening. Now watch what happens when we decrease the pressure. That means you're gonna pull back the syringe. I'm kind of weak right now, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. Look how big he gets. This is how he is normally. Ready? That's about how he is normally. Now watch what happens. You see how big he's getting? He's like almost as big as the entire circumference, I don't know, of the syringe. And now he's going back to normal. And now we're going to decrease the volume again, just to show you what happens. He's getting all squished. And he's not really touching the syringe. It's not like the syringe is pressing down on him. It's the pressure. There's still room between the syringe, between this pump part and the actual marshmallow. And here, one more time, this is what happens when we decrease the pressure. The volume increases. See? He's all big. Now he's super excited. So that shows us that that pretty much displays the inverse relationship between pressure and volume. Now that demonstrates, oh man, I think this is backwards. I did not take that into consideration. Boyle's law. Hopefully you can see this says volume, that says pressure, and as the volume decreases, the pressure increases. The same would happen vice versa if the pressure were to decrease, the volume were to increase, as demonstrated with my syringe and marshmallow. So, pretty easy experiment. Hopefully you guys are able to visualize Boyle's law now, and I hope you had fun watching my experiment. Took a lot of energy, but okay. Bye guys.